In this video, I'll show you how to add Razorpay payment gateway in Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're inside, go to Settings and then click on Payments. Next, scroll down to the Third-Party Payment Providers section. Here, click on Choose Provider or Add Payment Method. After that, search for Razorpay in the list of available payment gateways. If Razorpay is available for your region, select it and click Activate. Now you will be redirected to connect your Razorpay account. Sign into your Razorpay dashboard or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Next, authorize the connection between Shopify and Razorpay by allowing the required permissions. After that, configure your payment settings, such as currency, settlement details, and transaction preferences inside Razorpay. Now return to Shopify and make sure Razorpay is selected as your active payment provider. Finally, run a test payment to confirm that transactions are processing correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Razorpay payment gateway in Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.